tell you guys, I'm sure nothing happening today. Hello everyone, I have some bad news. What is it, sir? Yeah, tell us, what is it? As you can see, Roy has been in an accident at the railroad crossing. As you couldn't tell, he was starting to age down and broke down all the time. After a while, didn't feel like his usual self at all. So he was eventually sold for scrap. After all, dead! Dumb! That is terrible! Yeah, no. That's even worse than the time of where Godfred, the #1 engine, happened to him. Where he fallen off the mountain or something. Yeah, no. Well, yeah, no. Well, I guess the Cars and Trains TV series will go on forever without him. And I hope a lot of people donate some money to that little engine that we all know and love about him. One forever.
Rest in peace, you. In our hearts, your love will see.